It's not just humans that enjoy the sound of rain on a metal roof. The seasons are changing, that's for sure. 18 inches of snow have become about 4. We got Autumn and Harry watching the rain roll in over there. We got Mr. Ivan just had his senior dinner, and Lulu watching the rain fall. Listening to the metal roof. Lulu's snoring over here. We got a pretty nice sunset happening too. Yeah, look at that. Birds chirping. Happy donkeys. Hey, Harry. Hi, Lulu. Can we listen to the rain with you guys? What do you say, Lou? Are you snoring? Yeah. You coming a little closer, Lulu? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You're sleepy. Hey, Autumn. You're getting dripped on, buddy. Hey, Harry. Miss Harriet. Give me a kiss. Kiss, kiss. Oh, good girl. Hey, Autumn. What are you doing over there? Listening to everything? Wow. Wow, look at those ears go. There you go. There's your 5 minutes of relaxation for today, Maple Rock Farm.